We are going to look today at one of the most remarkable pieces of video that I have ever seen in the entire time I have been doing this show. And you all know we've seen a lot of outrageous video. In the middle of Alex Jones' defamation trial, it is the award phase during which a jury is to decide how much money should the plaintiffs get for having been defamed by Infowars conspiracy theorist Alex Jones. It was revealed that Alex Jones' own incompetent lawyer sent a digital copy of all of Alex Jones' text messages and phone communications to the plaintiff's lawyers. I really need people to understand how insane this is. Alex Jones, for the last 10, 12, 14 days, however long this phase of the trial has been going on, has been lying and making claims like, I never did any texting about Sandy Hook, which is the subject matter of the defamation trial. And all along, the plaintiff's counsel had knowledge that Alex Jones was lying. He did text about Sandy Hook. And the reason the lawyer knew it is Alex Jones' lawyer mistakenly sent him all of the records. And yesterday during the trial, it came out, this video going instantly viral. Do you know what perjury is? Becoming the line of the day. You have to see this.
So you did get my text messages, and it said you didn't. Nice trick.
Yes, Mr. Jones. Oh. Indeed.
Yes, Mr. Jones. Indeed.
You didn't give this text message to me. You don't know where this came from. Do you know where I got this?
No.
Mr. Jones, did you know that 12 days ago, your attorneys messed up and sent me an entire digital copy of your entire cell phone with every text message you've sent for the past 2 years, and when informed, did not take any steps to identify it as privileged or protect it in any way. And as of 2 days ago, it fell free and clear into my possession.
This is one of the best things that has ever happened during a trial I've seen.
That is how I know you lied to me when you said you didn't have text messages about.
And this is the moment that Alex Jones' soul leaves his body. You can see it exit at the 47-second mark in this video.
Did you know that?
I told you the truth. This is your Perry Mason moment. I gave them my phone, and then...
Mr. Jones, you need to answer the question.
No,
Did you know this happened?
No, I didn't know this happened. But I mean, I told you I gave them the phone over. Just
answer the question.
You said in your deposition, you searched your phone. You said you pulled down the text, did the search function for Sandy Hook. That's what you said, Mr. Jones, correct?
And I had several different phones with this number, but I did, yeah. Well, of course. I mean, that's why you got it.
The pretzel that Alex Jones is twisting himself into is really something else here.
No, Mr. Jones, that's not why I have.
My lawyer sent it to you, but I'm hiding it. Okay.
Mr. Jones?
Mr. Jones,
please just answer questions. There's no question. Mr. Bankston also only asks questions.
Sure. Mr. Jones, in discovery, you were asked, do you have Sandy Hook text messages on your phone? And you said no, correct? You said that under oath, Mr. Jones, didn't you?
I mean, if I was mistaken, I was mistaken, but you got the messages right there.
You know what perjury is, right? I just want to make sure you know before we go any further. You know what it is.
Yes, I do. I mean, I'm not a tech guy. I told you I gave, in my testimony, the phone to the lawyers before or whatever, and so you got my phone, but we didn't give it to you.
No, Mr. Jones. One more time. And please remember, if you need to assert the Fifth Amendment, you can. I need to know that you can do that. But you testified.
If you need to plead the fifth here, then you're able to do that, which, of course, I mean, it's a strategy as well, because that if all of a sudden he asserts the Fifth Amendment, even though, of course, strictly speaking, that cannot be used in order to indicate guilt or responsibility, it's certainly not going to look very good. I have no idea how plaintiff's counsel I don't know how plaintiff's counsel was able to go 2 weeks without the biggest ass-eating grin on his face as Alex Jones tells lie after lie, knowing that he has the records already. He waited until the perfect moment and he dropped it like he had been planning this his entire life. It's very difficult to imagine a more humiliating and public implosion than this. And then also during yesterday's testimony, Alex Jones was confronted about the fact that during the trial, he's been broadcasting images of the judge on fire. And that's also just another incredible moment. Look at this.
Thank you, Your Honor. Can you display 129? Do you have the ability? The person on the left of this image is our judge, correct?
Yes.
The person on the right is another judge you don't like, right?
Yes.
Okay. One of the things you can take that down. One of the things you've been talking about a lot recently on your show, even within the past couple months, is your allegation that government officials are aiding in pedophilia, child trafficking, and the grooming of children.
He's basically being confronted with Pizzagate as applied to the judge in a court of law while under oath.
You mean like what Jeffrey Epstein did with the Clintons?
Sure, if that's a yes, is that a yes?
Yes.
Okay. And on Thursday, you and Infowars started connecting those allegations to our judge, didn't you?
No.
In fact, Mr. Jones, you're telling the world not to believe what happens in this courtroom because the judge worked with Child Protective Services, who you say is involved with pedophilia and child trafficking, correct?
Not all of it, but it's the Texas Youth Commission got caught doing it, and there's been a lot of that here.
I'm not asking you that, Mr. Jones. I'm asking you, you're telling...
Imagine if every time these right-wing nuts lied, they were subjected to under oath cross-examination of their claims. I mean, Trump would have no campaign.
The world not to believe what's happened in this trial because this judge is involved with CPS, who is working with child traffickers and pedophilia, correct?
By the way, if you're not watching, the look on the judge's face as Alex Jones is being questioned about his claims about this very judge, I have never seen anything like this.
No, that's not what I'm saying.
Okay. Your Honor, at this time, we would like to show a clip from Mr. Jones' show on Thursday where those words are said.
For impeachment
For
purposes.
impeachment purposes, yes, Your Honor.
All right. So now they get into, Alex Jones' lawyer tries to exclude the video that they want to play, and ultimately they do play it. This is unlike anything I have ever seen, a massive public humiliation for Alex Jones. And in this next segment, we are going to look at when the subject of the money finally comes up. One of our longtime sponsors is Monk Pack, the keto-friendly granola bars and nut and seed bars. I keep these stocked in my pantry all the time. The texture is great. The sweet, gooey goodness is fantastic, but each bar has only 1 gram of sugar or less, just 2 to 3 net carbs, and under 150 calories. My favorite lately has been sea salt dark chocolate. People know about my love affair with dark chocolate, but you can also get other flavors like caramel sea salt, peanut butter, dark chocolate, and others. Then you've got the Monk Pack granola bars in flavors like coconut cocoa chip, blueberry almond, and honey nut. I don't do keto myself, but they are a great on-the-go snack if you love something sweet and delicious, but without the sugar, which is what I'm going for. They just hit the spot. And if you don't love Monk Pack as much as I do, they'll refund all of your money. Just email them. My audience gets 20% off your first purchase at monkpack.com when you use the coupon code PACMAN at checkout. The link is down below.